thank you so much for tuning in for another YouTube video. I wanted to come to you guys and just share with you just like a few products that I have recently purchased. Two of them I've used quite a bit and just kind of wanted to let you know what I thought about them. Also, before we go into that, if you can make sure that you thumbs up, you subscribe, and share this video. Definitely have a lot more to come that I want to be able to share with you, so make sure you also turn on that notification so that you stay up to date on the videos that I post. So we're gonna go jump right in because it's definitely not gonna be a long video at all. My local Target recently had like this big sale on a lot of like their products, their cosmetic and makeup products. So I purchased two things, and I don't know why they're like very dusty, so please forgive me. The first one is the the e.l.f. cream contour palette. Now I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. I mean, these are like really cheap. I'm trying to like I don't know if you can see that, like the pigmentation in this is not really that good. Yeah, the consistency is not all that good, so I don't know. Yeah, next one that I have, this is another e.l.f. This is the bronzer palette in deep bronze. And I don't know why all this stuff is really dusty, but these are the colors. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, well, I really like this one. I've actually used it today. I don't know if you can see, but I mean, like I said, both of those were really cheap. I want to say they're normally probably like $4 to $6 maybe. I don't remember what they were on sale for because I threw the box away, but it was, you know, something to get. And then I had been seeing a lot of discussion about this primer. Now, I'm a very oily girl, and I normally use the Becca matte primer, but I wanted to get something a little bit different because if you wore the Becca mattifying primer, that you know it kind of leaves that like white residue on your face, even though once you put on your makeup it's fine. But I just wanted to see if there was something else out there that still gave me the mattified look, but you know, something a little different. So I actually got the POREfessional's matte, the Benefit POREfessional's matte rescue, and I only got the small one because, like I said, I just didn't know how it was gonna work for me, and I just wanted to try it out. So far so good. I probably had it for maybe like a week now, and it's good. I mean, I'm using that today as well. So also, one of my biggest buys was the this right here. This is Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I was like trying to get the Fenty foundation, which is so crazy because it's been sold out for like months, and then the testers are all gone, so I don't know what shade I was in. I tried this one shade, I want to say it was like 460 or something like that, and it was like way too red for me, so I don't know what shade I'm in. But I was like, okay, well, let me look up some other things that may be a little bit better. And I talked to the girl at Sephora, and she told me about this one, this Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by Nars. And I have it on today, and I love it. I tried one color. This is D2, New Caledonia. maybe that's how you say it. I had tried one that was D3, and that one was too dark. Like, it was like really too dark for me. And then this one, like, if somebody was to see me put it on my face at first, they would think it was too light, but my face is darker than the rest of my body. So if you can tell, like, I match now. I really like this. A little bit goes a long way. And I mean, I've probably had this for about a week, 2 weeks, and this is probably my go-to. Once I run out of this, I'm definitely going to get some more. I mean, it gives me that matte finish. Still not so matte that I look dry, but matte to where I feel comfortable that when I go out, I'm not going to be looking all super shiny. So if you haven't tried it already, I'm sure you've seen so many YouTubers talking about it. The Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation is super good from Nars. So like I said, I just wanted to come to you real quick and just share with you a few products that I had recently purchased. Trying not to buy so much makeup, because if I would have did like hauls or anything on my makeup purchases the last few months, it's ridiculous. Like, I should open up a little Sephora, you know, Ulta in my living room, but whatever. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope to see you guys soon. As I stated before, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and keep tuning in. I will have a lot more videos for you. Bye.